It's a beautiful day today. Look at that sky. Last day of March 2018. My pea plants are doing amazing. I set them out to acclimate to the temperature, and I think they're doing really well. So I'm going to spend today putting 72 pea plants into the ground. I have a little trowel. I have a whole bunch of pea plants, and I have an area. I threw some peas out in this area before the snow hit. And you can see, I have a couple coming up, like right there and over there. But obviously, the ones I did inside the house, there's one right there, are doing much better. They've been out here for a few days now, covered in the plastic. And so I'm just going to fill this area in and let them continue on with growing. So what I do first is I just dig a hole. Just dig a hole. Pop out a little pea plant. Come on, guy. Doing it one-handed, of course, is never easy. Let's see. Gently try to. Oh wow! Look at this. Let me show you the root system that's coming out. Isn't that amazing? Wonderful. So we'll just pop one out as gently as possible. It's one thing about these I don't like is sometimes the roots, they'll get caught up in that little line right there. And I'm finding some of these are kind of hard to get out, and I don't want to break them off. So what I'm going to do, since I'm not going to be using this again, is I'm just going to tear off the little slit in the bottom. You can just use one hand and it just tears it. And it'll make them a lot easier to come out, because I'm pulling on the pea plant and I don't want to damage it. And I won't, this will just get thrown away. I won't be using these ever again. But see, it's so much easier with one hand even. The only reason I'm wearing gloves today is because I have a first-degree burn on my hand. And I didn't want to cause it to get infected any more than it already is. So see, that worked a lot better. And look at that growth. It's an amazing, amazing plant. Oh, is it amazing again? Amazing and awesome. I got to work on that. All right, back to it. It's pretty easy. You just pop them down in their little hole. So I've already fertilized them with my urine the first time. And then that's all they're going to get from now on. Is this white stuff is diatomaceous earth. Helps keep the slugs away. Which, you've seen how big my slugs are in this area. Humongous. Okay, be back soon. Okay, I am done. There are 72 pea plants all ready to start their journey to providing us food for 2018. This is the first crop. There'll probably be 3 or 4 of these before the season's done. I do succession planting, so there's seeds already in the ground inside, sprouting, getting ready to take over after these. So it came out looking pretty good, I think. I was surprised. No, not really. I guess I just didn't remember. Ruby's found a place to sit while she watches me. The difference between them under the grow lights and out here. I water them daily out here when it's under the greenhouse, little plastic. But they were so dry, where inside under the grow lights, they didn't get nearly as dry. So that goes to tell me that even though it's in March, the temperature from the sun inside the greenhouse was probably in the hundreds, at least high 90s. So that's something to keep in mind when they're outside under plastic. Give them some air each day and water them daily. And keep an eye on them so they don't get too dry. But they look really healthy. At least I think so. They look really, really healthy. So this will be tarped again every night. The tarp will come off. That plastic will come off in the daytime. And then I'll start putting trellises out, so they'll start crawling and stuff. But right now, I'm going to go plant the lettuce. And the lettuce is going over there in the raised beds.